All right, so your first step, you're gonna take your CPU, your RAM, and your other RAM. I already got the motherboard and everything already put in there. So, next step is gonna be put it all in. All right, so while my dog barks, because you always have to have a European companion out here, barking at my cooling system. So, you see, every computer needs to be cooled. Now, an adequate cooling system is always best. All right, so then you're gonna take your handy dandy hose, and then you're just gonna hose it down and let it cool. It's gonna get really warm in there. All right, let it cool. Now that you've gone through the frustration of putting the other computer and failing at it because you don't understand how computers actually work and water, hitting electronics is not a good thing. Grab your further sledgehammer, and then you just gotta show it who's the boss, okay? And then just show it who's boss.